Welcome inside the Starliner production factory at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. I'm Jessica Londa with Boeing, and I've got something really cool to show you today. Take a look at the next Starliner spacecraft to fly in space. This is our Orbital Flight Test-2 crew module. This vehicle was actually built in 2019 and shipped off to California for environmental qualification testing. And that's a fancy way of saying we blasted it with sound, froze it, baked it, radiated it. We basically put the vehicle through the exact same environmental conditions it's going to see on orbit to verify our design and hardware would hold up in space. This vehicle passed environmental qualification testing with flying colors. But when it came back to the factory, it was like it had already flown, so we needed to take some of the hardware off, thoroughly inspect it, and build it back up to its final flight configuration. Now we're getting it ready for its first orbital flight. So let me tell you a little bit about what we've been working on. And the team here has already powered up this vehicle, checked out its avionics and propulsion systems. We've installed the landing airbags and the base heat shield. Parachutes are up next, along with the NASA docking system, which is what Starliner uses to autonomously dock with the International Space Station. Then we'll put on the back shells, load it up with fuel and cargo, mate it to the service module, and roll it on over to the United Launch Alliance Atlas V launch pad. Keep checking our @Boeing Space Twitter account for more updates on our second uncrewed flight test. And thanks for stopping by.